Hi there! So today I'm here specifically to play with the Nyx Christmas collection. I have a lot of Christmassy themed products here. I'm not sure if this is the entire collection. These are the products that I got from them, as well as the advent calendar. This was received in PR, just in case anybody cares. My opinion is still my opinion. I'm in the whole Christmas mood. This is my tea. I was listening to Harry Potter ambience music, like Christmas themed, and then my playlist went into the sort of folklore, elfy vibe. So I did my hair really curly today. I look a little bit like Frodo, but I wanted to embrace that sort of a Christmas elf vibe. So this is my style today. This is just a gift wrap that I wrapped around my neck because I'm a gift to this world. That was quite an affirmation. Let's start diving into these products. I have my base makeup already done. From what I've seen, this collection mostly revolves around the eyeshadow palette and a lot of lip products. So I'm gonna do some swatches, we're gonna just play with them, and I'm also going to do a look. So this is not gonna be like a full makeup tutorial. It's just me playing and swatching this collection. So let's get into it. First of all, I have here the advent calendar from NYX, and I'm not opening it all at once. This is today is 7th of December as I'm doing this video, so I opened just the first 7 drawers, I guess. I picked on the back of the calendar. I'm just gonna put it here just in case you want to see like what it contains. It's again mostly lip products from what I've noticed. It also has some eyeshadow palettes as well, and I'm just gonna show you like the ones that I have opened so far. So in day 1, eyeshadow palette, beautiful nude tones. So this is the Ultimate Edit eyeshadow palette in the style Warm Neutrals, which is quite fitting. It's actually, this is what it is. It has some really nice warm browns here, reddish browns, 4 mattes, 2 shimmers. This is beautiful. Pretty basic if you're into warm tones. It's quite a lovely palette. So I'm just gonna let me swatch a shimmer and a matte shade. Kind of like that. Oh, the shimmer is gorgeous. Like that. So again, pretty basic palette, high quality. I did a look, like an everyday look, the past days with this palette. I like it. It's nothing special to me, but it's a lovely one. On day 2, actually, this is missing because I had it in my purse. Because I think this is like my favorite so far. It's the Butter Gloss Bling in the shade Pricey, and this looks very sparkly, but it's actually very nice. It's let me swatch it for you. It's a sort of neutral gloss with glitter in it, and it's so beautiful. It really screams Christmas. I really hope you can see that, and I hope the camera catches the glitter. It's really not that bold as it looks in the packaging. It's more sheer, and that's great. It's actually a very lovely one. So that's day 3, day 2 actually. On day 3 we have a liquid lipstick. It's the Smooth Whip liquid lipstick in the shade Kitty Belly, and this is alright. It's not necessarily my favorite one. It's this sort of pinky light shade. It's a little bit too light on the lips. It's just a little bit too bright for my taste. With a darker lip pencil it kind of works. It doesn't really suit me or my vibe actually, but yeah, just a lipstick. On day 4, I was pleasantly surprised by day 4 because it had the Fat Lip Drip Oil. This is just a clear one. The shade is called My Main, And this is a very nice lip moisturizer actually. So it's a lip oil and it's just a clear one. This moisturizes the lips. It feels like a very nice moisturizing lip mask actually, and I really like this formula. The Fat Lip Drip Oil is one of my favorite lip products. So glad that I got a restock on this because I had the shade this clear one and I almost finished it. On day 5 we had a liquid blush, and it's the Sweet Cheeks blush mousse in the shade Bombshell. And actually this looks very dark when you look at it. It actually looks like a lipstick, but when you blend it out, and I used it on myself, it looks quite dark, but when you blend it out, it's this I feel like this is perfect for that I'm cold type of a makeup look, because it's this sort of reddish blush and it kind of looks like how your nose gets red when it's cold outside. So quite a lovely shade, and I don't think I had anything like this in my collection, so nice addition. On day 6 we have a soft matte lip cream. This is the shade Rome. It's absolutely gorgeous. So you see it's a little bit mauvier and darker than this Kitty Belly shade of the soft mousse, whatever. How was that called? I can't remember that range. I do prefer the soft matte range nonetheless, and I do prefer this shade. It's extremely beautiful. Then today I just opened this one, day 7, and I think I can peek day 8 and I don't want to, but have no choice. I think it's a lip product as well. But on day 7 we have the Butter Gloss in the shade Bit of Honey, and I really like this one. I swatched it earlier. Oh, let me find a place here. This is a gorgeous peachy tone shade. It's really my style. I really like this kind of a shade, especially for summer actually. I think I will use this one a lot in spring and summer. But the formula of the Butter Gloss is really nice. It's very shiny. I wouldn't go for very dark shades when it comes to glosses, but this one is really nice. And it's quite pigmented as well for a gloss. So that's the advent calendar so far. I'm not gonna cheat, I like the surprises. So I'm gonna keep this one and open it day by day until, was it like 25? Do I have, oh no, it's 24. So I have 24 products here. They're all full size, by the way. So this is very nice. I'm not sure how much it costs. Let me check that. Never mind that. The advent calendar is discontinued on Nyx's website. Well, it makes sense because you kind of have to get it before December. Moving on from that. And now that I feel my lips drying out a bit, let me use a bit of the fat oil, lip drip oil. This feels so comfortable. Love it. Feels like a lip mask, actually, like really comfortable, really moisturizing. Okay, let's start with the actual collection besides the advent calendar. And by the way, this entire collection is inspired by Home Alone. The packaging, as you can see, that here you have little Kevin. You have some traps here on the eyeshadow palette, because the eyeshadow palette is called Battle Plan. And also have this sort of piñata here, which again has the thieves on the side. Yeah, very cute. I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow palette. So it's called the Ultimate Battle Plan eyeshadow palette, and this is absolutely gorgeous. It's so beautiful. The shimmers, I swatched them yesterday. Gorgeous. So let me swatch some of these shades so I can show you. This one is almost has a clear base, so nah, actually it's whitish silver. It's sort of sheer, and the glitters, it kind of looks wet. You can definitely achieve that wet look with this shade. It's very beautiful. The shimmers are oh my god, something else. Oh, this one is lovely as well. I mean, look at that. Let me swatch a matte as well. This basic brown shade. So yeah, the mattes feel good as well. So that's that. Most of these shades are pretty muted, so they're not very bright. Although you have some red, green, but then again, they're not extremely in your face. I want to see some of the golds as well, because I didn't swatch any of these. That's pretty. And then the green, I'm curious about that as well. So yeah, the glitters are very pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna go very colorful today with this one. Although some of these are marked as face pigments. What do you mean I'm gonna have to use this on my face and not on my eyes? I'm probably not gonna obey that rule. I'm gonna start with a transition shade, and I'm gonna use this one. This light brown shade in the corner. This does blend very easily. It did look quite dark in the palette, but it's really not. It's a very nice transition for my skin tone. That's pretty. Let me use that on the lower lid as well, because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but a warm brown transition is good for like any look, so it's gonna be a little bit of a base. I really have no idea what to do, but let's start somewhere, and I'm gonna figure it out along the way, hopefully. I'm gonna start with this shade because I really like the shimmers from this palette. Look at that. That is so pretty, but I'm gonna use my finger to make it a bit more sparkly and metallic. Probably I'm gonna do a green eyeliner. Let's see, I'm gonna pick up an angled brush and use this dark green from the palette and apply it at the base of my lashes and do some sort of a wing as well. And then I'm gonna blend it out with this lighter green teal shade. These are very nice to work with, pretty pigmented, blendable. And now the idea would be to use this green on the lower lash line. Okay, let's go with green. Let's go bold-ish, kinda. Using a flat brush, dusting off the excess, because these shimmers do have a little bit of fallout. I do like glitter on my lower lash line though. I think it creates a nice effect. What if I try to apply it with my finger? I want this on the inner corner of my eye. And that's it. That is beautiful. This is so special. My god. It has this blue and sort of purple reflection. Okay, I applied mascara off camera. It was a combination of these two from L'Oreal, the Telescopic Lift and the Panorama mascara. Let's go back to the Christmas collection. I have so much more, but they're all lipsticks and lip glosses. First of all, let's open this thing right here. This was supposed to, this had a thing, like a string here that you were supposed to pull, and it will open and do that. I failed to do that, but I'm going to show you the inside of this thing. Most of it, again, it's lip products, but I have some jumbo pencils here. These can be used as inner corner highlight, I guess, a base, like base for the eyes. And this is shimmery. I didn't notice. Oh my god. Oh, that is pretty. And the other one I might have to give away. It's just this shimmery gold shade. Okay, beautiful gold shimmer creamy product. I do have a shade that's quite similar to this one from the Jumbo Eye Pencil range. So I might give this one away. This is a lot of makeup. I'm not able to use this much, so a lot of it I'm just gonna gift to friends. Another thing that's not a lip product is this powder. It's a little pressed powder, a finishing powder. I don't really use pressed powder, so again, this is gonna go to somebody else, I'm not sure who. And I also have this Sweet Cheeks blush mousse. It's this pink blush. Let me blend it a bit to see how it looks blended. That is so cute. I'm gonna apply it. Actually, I don't have blush on my face, so I'm gonna use that. And then there are a lot of lip products. I have 2 shades of the Fat Lip Drip Oil. So it's the shade Follow Back and the shade Newsfeed. These are lovely. I do have the shade Follow Back already. I think it's in my purse. I use it constantly. I love this range. The Fat Lip Drip Oil range. I really like it. So that's that. And by the way, these are not as pigmented again as they look inside the packaging. Let me swatch this shade for you. The shade Newsfeed. So it's this pink type of a gloss, but it's not as bright as it looks in the packaging. It doesn't look that bright in the packaging. I don't know what I'm talking about. What I'm saying is that they're a little bit more sheer when you apply them on the lips. I have a clear gloss from the Butter Gloss range. The Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi, which might be something that I'm gonna use quite frequently. Ah, that's gorgeous. Oh my god, that is pretty. Might be my new favorite lipstick. This with a brown pencil. Gorgeous. The Smooth Whip, again, that same range in the shade Latte Foam. Let's see this one. Oh my god, they really nailed my type of lipstick. This one is absolutely gorgeous as well. I would wear this one a lot. Ah, so beautiful. The Butter Gloss in the shade Praline. That is stunning. What do you mean? That's beautiful. My god. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm overreacting, but I really like these shades. The Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream in the shade Velvet Robe. Smells nice. Let's see. Ooh, there's sort of this classy shade. Almost looks red, but again, it has a bit of a mauve tint. This sort of cherry red. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. They really nailed this. I really like them all. And the Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Budapest. Again, cherry red, a little bit bolder than the previous one. I am in love with these. Especially these two and the Butter Gloss. Jeez. I'm so excited. Okay, let's use the blush, the Sweet Cheeks Soft Cheek Tint Blush Mousse in the shade Baby Doll. I'm gonna apply it on my hand first because I'm not sure if I want to keep this or give it away, so I don't want to apply it directly on my face. Pick up a brush and apply it like that. That is pretty. I'm applying the leftover on the tip of my nose because it's a wintry look. Then again, the next product in this collection is this set with the Fat Lip Drip Oil, and it has a trio, like 3 shades of this range. They don't have names on them. On the back of this box it says the shades are Mist Call, Newsfeed, and Sprinkle. I don't know which is which because it just doesn't say on them. But I'm curious how pigmented these are. For example, this red one. Aw, it's cute. I think this will look really cute on the lips. So it's not that bright, again, as it looks in the packaging. As you can see, there's a huge difference, but I do prefer that it's a little bit more sheer. I really like that. Let's see the next one. This looks really red. Oh, it's a mystery shade. Because it's, oh, that's beautiful. So beautiful. Because the bottle is not transparent. Right now I'm noticing that it's opaque. That's the word. And the shade is this sort of cappuccino beautiful shade. And then the last one, not sure how it's called. It's beautiful pink. Sort of nude pink actually. Gorgeous. I really like this one, especially the mystery shade. I have one more butter gloss. I think this is again a limited edition thing. It's the butter gloss in the shade Sugar Cookie Swirl. Let's see how this looks. It's glittery. Yeah, it's glittery. Oh my god, really like it. Oh, it's so pretty. It's sort of a light peachy shade with glitter in it. Can you see the glitter on camera? I'm not sure. It has this pink and gold glitter, or purple. Is it purple or is it pink? I'm not sure. But it's glittery and I like it a lot. Next, I have the butter gloss. This set. These are beautiful. Look at these shades. I'm not gonna swatch all of these. The shades are called Tiramisu, Vanilla Cream Pie, Angel Food Cake, Red Velvet, Devil's Food Cake, and She Got Money. I want to test the glitter on. So, because I really like the butter gloss bling apparently. It's beautiful. It has it's pink with pink glitter or purple. Very blingy. Let's see the red one. Ooh. Beautiful, but I would be scared to apply such a dark gloss on my lips. I would rather go, if I wanted such a bold color, I would go for a liquid lipstick. Because I'm not sure how well these last. Wouldn't this like smudge everywhere? But these lighter shades, I do prefer these. Let me swatch one more, which is called the Tiramisu shade. That's better for a gloss, but a little too pink for my taste. I said I'm not gonna swatch them all, but I want to swatch one more. The shade Vanilla Cream Pie. Yep, a little too pink for me. So from this set, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna use any. Not necessarily my taste there. And I don't have a lip liner. I'm gonna look for a lip liner and then I'm gonna do some things on my lips. I'm not sure what I'm gonna apply. I think I'm gonna go for nude. But let me line first. I line my lips. I used the lip pencil in the shade Nude Beige. I'm gonna use the Abu Dhabi shade because I'm very excited about it. This might be my new favorite nude, as I can see it here. Absolute perfection. Last year I got the shade London from the same range because I thought it's gonna be this. London is a little bit more orangey. This is 100 times more beautiful in my opinion. Stunning. And I'm gonna finish off with the butter gloss, the limited edition one in the shade Sugar Cookie Swirl. Perfection. This is the lip combo of my dreams. Absolutely perfect. This is my favorite lip combo ever. I'm really so excited. That's why I'm saying stuff like that. I don't know if it is, but probably. Like close enough. Maybe it is. Am I too excited? Or this is actually perfect. Anyway, here's the look. Here's the collection. Didn't use any of these. These I'm gonna use because I love the fat lip oil. This I mean, if you're into this kind of shades, sure. Not really my cup of tea in terms of shade range that it's placed here. Oh, this piñata thing had, I think, my favorites. I'm gonna keep using a lot of these. The this thing, this thing, this thing. This is gorgeous as well. And of course you have the fat lip drip oils, and these are beautiful as well. Gorgeous shades. The clear gloss, always useful. The blush, amazing. So I really like this thing. Let me see if I can find it on the website. Is it discontinued? Am I doing this video for nothing? So the surprise makeup box. Home Alone pull to open 12-piece surprise makeup box. It is on sale. It's $49. I would get it. The Christmas collection sales are very very nice because you can get like sets of different, like a lot of makeup that's sort of limited edition, and they want to get rid of them because you cannot sell that set in March, let's say. They want to get rid of these sets as soon as possible, so you can get some really nice deals out of the Christmas collections in general. I think this is my favorite. The surprise makeup box. Definitely worth it. And the palette as well. The palette is gorgeous. Anyway, this is all for today. I have gloss on my teeth. So let me know what you think. Did you get anything from this collection? Did you get any Christmas makeup collection in general? Let me know if you found something interesting and if you got it. And yeah, I hope I will be able to get at least one more Christmas look out before Christmas. So I'm not gonna wish you Merry Christmas just yet, although I will. Have a Merry Christmas, in case you're just watching this video and then not watching any of my other videos, which would be really hurtful. Just kidding, I'm not gonna be upset with you if you do that. I'm yapping. I'm gonna stop and head out. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful or entertaining or fun to watch me unbox all of these products. I'm feeling overwhelmed at the moment. I have so much makeup. Anyway, I wish you have an extraordinary day, and I will see you next time. Bye!